G'day guys and welcome back. I've been busy today working on my Grid Island Hunter x Hunter sort of inspired card game with real-time like monsters where shit actually spawns and runs around and all of that. I based this little, oh my god, can you please sit still? This camera just keeps moving. This is a shot from the Hunter x Hunter game and I did my best today to recreate that in Unreal, and it's not my strongest skill set, but hey, I got something done anyway. But I did a bunch of abilities, and as you would have seen, like this is the accompany card. This happens in the show where players, they fly through the air like that to spawn themselves in, and you see they've all got cards in their hands, and there's a bunch over here which are coming over as well. So that's the accompany card, and if I shuffle my deck here, I might get an accompany card at the front eventually. That's the accompany card just there. And I can't actually play it yet. I think if I throw it, it'll just stick into the wall. Same with Lewis, he's going to stick into the wall. But the rest of these ones, I've got some other random ones like the Winged Dragon of Ra from Yu-Gi-Oh! But if I play that one's got a nice trail on it, and then when that lands, you're actually going to get a monster spawning in. Say I wanted to fight these guys, I can spawn our horrible spider in, and he's got some AI to run around and do some damage, you know. But yeah, that's basically it. Oops, I should not have moved my camera just now. Why did I do that? So anyway, a little overview of some of the blueprints and shit that I've done today. By the way, if you're interested in having a look at any of this, let me know via a DM or via a comment. I do like to put my stuff up so people can look at it. But if nobody's interested, then I can't be bothered, so let me know. What have we got? We've got a throwing card blueprint. I spent a bit of time today working on a throwing system where I've got all my card information in a data table here. So I've only got 3 different types of cards. So this Lewis card, which is one that just sticks on impact, you can see there's a few settings: name and description, stars, like it's sort of like a level, the cost to use, a texture, and then a type. So stick on impact, you throw them like little throwing stars. Summon on impact was like the spider, it flies through the air and whenever it lands it spawns a monster. Instant use, which would be like sort of like a spell card or something where you use something and recover health or whatever. I might also do some like damage ones where you throw them and then it might actually work as a summon. They just actually summon an explosion or something at the impact point. I think that would be pretty cool. But anyway, yeah, my types of cards, I've just got one which just randomly selects textures, so that just gives you a bunch of Yu-Gi-Oh sort of shit, like the Metaverse one, Ouroboros. See, the Winged Dragon of Ra, the Accompany one, and the one of the other ones, the Lewis one, you just get them every time, but then occasionally you get the random ones, like we've got Blue Eyes White Dragon there, and we've got Slifer the Sky Dragon, even though they all just spawn the same thing at the moment. I will update that to change that. But yeah, so that's basically the card information. I've only got 3 types of cards. The way that they work is that you just throw them from your hand. Pretty straightforward. Spawn a little trail, and then when they land, they can activate by spawning a thing or whatever. Pretty straightforward stuff. And what's this component? I've got a SC cards component. Oh, this is the thing that actually spawns the cards in your hand. So when you jump in like this, you can see that they spawn in one by one. It's just randomly selecting a card ID and then populating the cards in your hand. But you will be able to find cards around the world eventually. Obviously, you can change the hand size. Like if I change that to like 12, let's see what that looks like. Am I going to crash the whole thing and just make a mess? Yeah, we get cards all over the screen now. So, you know, good luck everybody else. Yeah, gross. Anyway, so I'll change that back to 6. A few little API calls there for spawning cards, removing cards, respawning hand, whatever. And the fast travel system. So this was interesting as I learned about this node today. So this is how all the characters are spawning in by flying across the map. Basically what they do is they take a target point. So if I hit my G key, I think I should be able to get that back. So this is their landing point, and I can set that via blueprints, and these guys can start wherever they want. They can start all over the map, and then when the game begins or when you activate the thing, they predict a projectile path to land right at the target point. So this is like a fast travel mechanic where NPCs and things can sort of fly in like Death Eaters from Harry Potter or something like that. And the way that I did that was using this suggest projectile velocity node. I thought that was pretty clever. I haven't used that one before and thought that was awesome. And then on impact, yeah, spawn some feedback and then just spawn the character in. So yeah, that's basically it. Everything that sort of happened today. I recorded everything I did today. It's about 2 or 3 hours of stream, and that's over on my second channel, so see the links in the description for that. It should say uncut development live streams or something, so if you're interested in seeing that, have a look. Most of it's spent doing the environment art, because that's actually a lot more challenging for me than doing card systems and blueprints, lol. And like I said, let me know if you want access to any of this. I can put it up live, but I need to know that people are interested before I bother to do that. And I think that's it. Check out the links in the description, because we've got developer support circles and plugins and a heap of other shit to help developers, and reach out to me if you want a discount or anything, because I'm always happy to give discounts. So see ya. If you're looking for some blueprints to pick apart and learn from, or for some stuff to reuse and to integrate into your own games, head over to the Discord server here and to the Jackson's Plugins channel. I've got a bunch of stuff in here that I'm either working on or have published onto Fab. I am happy to offer discounts for any of these things. Not everybody has the money of a AAA studio, and so I'm happy to give these things away for a fair price, you know, considering your circumstances, whether you're using them for education or for a solo project of your own, etc. So if you want to do that, just send me a DM, and we can work that out from there. But as you can see, lots of stuff in here. This is like a preview of the endless rooms pack, the endless dungeons, and I've got stuff here like the courses as well. So make sure you check any of those out, and feel free to use the Discord server to ask any questions about how any of that works.